this video, we're going to explore Node Package Manager, or NPM. Node Package Manager allows us to add functionality to our Node projects through an easy-to-use command-line interface. The Node Package Manager also is a website that houses available Node packages. Node packages are libraries of JavaScript files that community members have developed and made available to other community members so that you can more easily create those awesome Node projects you're working on. We'll look at the website here in just a few minutes. Whenever we start a new Node project, we're going to want to create a package.json file to store details about that package. Node Package Manager makes it easy to do that. We just need to run the init function. So let's run the init function. I'm using WebStorm. I'm in the terminal window of WebStorm, and notice that I'm in the Module 4 folder that stores our Module 4 project. So I'll enter the npm init command, npm init, hit enter, and as it says, this is going to help us to create a package.json file. So it's going to ask us a number of questions. For the most part, we're just going to answer the defaults. So the name of this package, Module 4, seems like a good name. It's the first version. How about for a description we use Module 4 demonstration? The entry point is the file that the server would look for when it was trying to run this particular Node application. Index.js is a good name for that, so we'll use that. We don't have a test command. We don't currently have a Git repository. We're not going to enter any keywords. The author. We'll use the default license information. So npm shows us what the JSON file will look like. As long as that's okay, we can just say yes. Great. And now we see the package.json file. So we'll open that. Notice that it meets the requirements of a JSON file. Every key value pair is in quotes, and each of the last items in the file do not have a comma. All right. Next, we're going to install a package using Node Package Manager. So again, I'm going to go down to my terminal and I'm going to issue the command. We're going to install the underscore package. Before we install the package, let's go look at its entry in the npm.js page. So I've got that open on another screen. Here we go. npm.js.com. So I'm going to search for the underscore package. And there's its entry. And it shows us this is a utility belt library for JavaScript. It has support for a lot of usual functions. So we'll go back over to WebStorm and issue the npm install underscore command. We're going to add a command line argument --save. This is going to save an entry in our package.json file that will show underscore as a dependency to the particular project that we're working on. So once I've typed in that command, I'll hit enter. Underscore has been installed. Notice that when that install happened, a couple of things happened. One, the node modules folder was created. It stores the underscore module. So here's all the files needed for that underscore module. And it created the package-lock.json file. And if we open the package.json file, we'll see that underscore is now listed as a dependency for this project. Now we can do other things with npm as well. For instance, we could uninstall a package. Let's see what that looks like. npm uninstall underscore and hit enter, and underscore has been uninstalled. There we go. It removed the node modules folder and it updated the dependency entry in our package.json file. All right, let's reinstall the underscore package so we have something to use in a future video. To do that, I'm just going to rerun the same command, npm install underscore, and use the modifier save. All right. So in this video, we saw how we could use the Node Package Manager to create a package.json file that would store details about our particular project, and how we could easily and quickly install new functionality into our project using the npm install function, and how we could uninstall